Fixing a leaky bathroom faucet cartridge can be done by a handy beginner with careful attention to cleaning, preparation, and following instructions. Start by shutting off the water to the fixture and opening the tap to relieve pressure, then remove the handle and any decorative caps to expose the retaining nut or clip holding the cartridge. Take a clear photo of the assembly before you disassemble it so you can match parts and reassemble without guessing. Clean the valve body openings with a soft brush and white vinegar solution to remove mineral buildup that prevents a new cartridge from sealing properly. When you extract the old cartridge, inspect the O-rings and seals for nicks or hardening and replace them, even if the new cartridge includes seals, because local water chemistry often requires fresh, higher quality rings. Lubricate new O-rings with a silicone-based grease only, never petroleum-based products, and press them evenly into the grooves to avoid pinched seals that cause leaks. After reassembly, slowly restore water pressure and test at both hot and cold positions for at least 5 minutes while checking under the sink for drips. If a slight drip remains, tighten the retaining nut a quarter turn and retest, then remove and reseat the cartridge if the drip persists rather than tightening repeatedly, which can damage parts. Common problems include misidentifying the cartridge type, which leads to a poor fit and continued leaks. So bring the old cartridge or take clear measurements and photos to match with a replacement. If you are unsure, consult a parts specialist at a plumbing supply house. Another frequent issue is failure to clean mineral deposits, which prevents the cartridge from seating and sealing properly, so always clean the valve body and use a vinegar soak for stubborn scale. The third concern is using the wrong lubricant or over-tightening during reassembly, which can degrade O-rings or crack plastic parts. So use only silicone-based grease and tighten gradually while testing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and answer questions about projects like faucet cartridge replacement.